Welcome back to Anthony Lee Raw. Guys, today I'm going to show you my top 5 altcoin picks for the next cycle based upon return on investment, ROI. What I want you to pay attention to, I'm going to show you price on each one of these, X multiplier gains, and market cap. While all of these coins may not look as bullish on price right now, it could be because of diluted supply, token unlocks. But if their market cap stays strong, they can likely overcome that dilution, guys. So I want you to pay attention to that. I'm also going to give you target retrace levels. Each one of these coins, I have a more in-depth video over on the YouTube channel. Go over here, click on the videos tab, scroll down, find your coin. I'm just going to hit the highlights today, but you can find everything over here if you want more in-depth detail. So let's dive on in. First coin, and by the way, each one of these coins, my return on investment is going to be from current bear market low. Should they go lower, so be it. You'll have to do the Chinese arithmetic yourself at that point, or I'll just update you. So we're looking at C-Pool, Clearpool, guys. Clearpool set a price all-time high in November of 2021 of $2.62. Now, it looks really bearish, right? Lower high in last cycle of only 59 cents. That is significantly different. However, you had 35 million coins at your all-time high price compared to 725 million last cycle and currently 1 billion. You are topped out at 1 billion. You will not be adding any more. You are holding the floor on your price, but just barely. So this looks bearish to you. However, it's not. The problem is you've more than 30x'd your circulating supply, but I don't think that deters Clearpool. Look at the market cap, guys. Extremely bullish. Here's your market cap at price all-time high compared to the 60 cents where you had significantly less price here, right, guys? So this is a very bullish coin, and you can see from bear market low, look at price. You're barely holding low on price, right? So it looks like it's about to be bearish, but it's not, because on market cap, you are massively above that bear market cap low. So what you can do, you cannot fib price. You can fib market cap. Fib on macro price does not work when you have this many unlocks. So what you would do, this goes for any coin I'm about to show you. I'm not about to do this on every coin, so we're just going to hit it here. If you're going to just do a retrace, you would look for a market cap retrace, say golden pocket. You would take that amount, divide that by your circulating supply, and that would give you your targets. And I'm going to flip those on for you right now. There are your target retrace levels. Now, here is your bull run price prediction from me. I project C-Pool doing a $555 million market cap and a 55 cent. And if you can see, 550 million is going to be right here between the 1-to-1 and 1.618. So just slightly more bullish, even though you were massively bullish in market cap before. But it will not even return you to all-time high. That gives you a 55 cent C-Pool from current bear market low to bull run price prediction. That is a 33x, guys. And let's look and see how Damien, here's the Damien indicator. Let's see what it's giving you on here. You can only get this at anthonyleeraw.com. And look at this, guys. You will not find a better indicator. Currently getting a weekly Damien buy signal on this. And these are not small moves. Look at this one that looks a little smaller here. That's a 140% move up. You can see it called all of the big drops down, all the big pumps in the last cycle. So great indicator. Get on over here, anthonyleeraw.com. Click on the indicators tab, and you have Damien indicator right there. You're going to love this indicator. I'm going to show it to you on each coin. Let's move on. Coin number 2, ACASH, AKT, guys. AKT set a price of $8 back in 2021. At the time, you had 44 million coins. Bear market. Last cycle, you almost tapped your all-time high at $7. Looks bearish, right? It's not. You went from $350 million market cap to $1.6 billion. So you 4x'd your market cap all-time, 5x, your market cap all-time high. The problem is you added coins, 44 million to 234 million. Currently have 292 million. You're going to have 350, which is 8 times more than you had at price all-time high. However, you're still, even with all the unlocks, you are massively holding price low. And if we look at your market cap, you can see just crazy bullish here on market cap. Here's your low market cap. You're way up here. You're holding extreme market cap bullish structure. I've added on your retrace levels. We'll turn those on here, guys. So you can see if you should just retrace, these are your retrace levels. However, my bull run price prediction for ACASH is $3 billion market cap, $8.57 from bear market low, not current price, but bear market low. That is going to give you a 33x. So massive returns there, guys. I am very bullish on Akash. And full disclosure, I do not own any Akash, nor do I own Clearpool, so I have no dog in this fight, guys. I'm just telling you what I see. Damien indicator, look at this Damien indicator, guys. You can't beat it. Look at these. Last call it gave you, boom, 170% gainer. One before that, 96%. You can see the big calls down, and it called the bear market low last cycle. So Damien indicator, AnthonyLeeRaw.com. Let's move over. Fetch AI. Sorry about that, guys. Fetch AI. Check it out on the 10-day time frame. Fetch has been around forever. You're doing nothing but setting higher highs and higher lows on price, right, the entire way. Been around since 2019. Higher highs, higher lows. Very, very bullish. Fetch price all-time high, $3.50 in 2024, so recently. Problem here, though, you added coins. You went from 750 million to 2.3 billion, okay? Even though you came back a few months after your price all-time high and set another swing high of 220, it looks bearish, right? But it's not. You doubled your market cap, so this is a bullish market cap, okay? While still holding the lows. Currently 2.3 billion coins, just like you had at 220. You will not add any more coins. You are fully diluted in your circulating supply. So look at market cap. I mean, just massive bullishness, guys. Just higher highs and higher lows the entire way up. So we expect that trend to continue. My fetch, target, and retrace levels, I'll give you both, guys. Retrace levels. Sorry, I have a little more info here on fetch because I own fetch. I love fetch. It is my favorite. It just has so much more history. So it has just shown longevity in the bullishness. And here are your retrace levels should you just retrace to a market cap retrace. And my bull run price prediction for fetch is a $4.35 fetch, which is a $10 billion market cap from bear market low to high. You're looking at a 37x, 38x. Even if you just underperform, because I own this coin, I am prepared for a retrace or an underperformance to the 1-to-1. You're still looking at a 20x here, guys, on fetch. For me, at an underperformance at $2.30, guys. So really strong coin. Let's take a look at Damien. Let's see what Damien's telling us. Calling the big moves on fetch. Look at this, guys. You just can't beat this indicator. Even called the top, guys. Gave you the short from the top, boom, all the way down. Gave you this most recent long trade for, I don't know, a little 100% rally on fetch. Damien indicator, AnthonyLeeRaw.com. You cannot get this anywhere else, and you will not find a better indicator, I guarantee you. I don't know why it keeps doing that, guys. Nosana. Looking at Nosana, our fourth coin on the list. Nosana is in the AI sector just like Fetch, but it is GPU technology. So if AI does well, GPU will do outstanding. Look at this massive, just straight candle up. So you set an all-time high here at $7.95. Let's call it $8. 27 million coins. You have since added, you're now fully diluted at 100 million coins. When you came back and set a swing high here, $1.34. You had already started dilution, and you will be 4 times higher at 100 million coins next cycle. Let's look at market cap. TradingView did not have the full market cap, so I went in and added this. It is correct. Go fact check me if you don't believe me. You should do your own research anyway. You can see holding the low. As a matter of fact, since you pumped off the low in February, you have not wanted to return. Most coins have come way back down here, if not taken out the low. Nosana is holding high. I like Nosana. I do not own Nosana, so I am not biased to it. It just looks very strong. Here are your retrace levels and your bull run price prediction, guys. I show Nosana going to $6.50, which is a $650 million market cap that would break your market cap high. No problem. You're setting higher highs, higher lows here. From bear market low, current bear market low to bull run price prediction, you're looking at a 26x on Nosana, guys. So looks really good. Let's look at Damien, see what Damien's showing us. Called the big pumps, guys. All these big pumps. Let's move it on. INJ. All right, INJ's been around for a long time. You set a price all-time high. Sorry about that. My dog just ran in here. Price all-time high in March of 2024. Price was $53. At the time, you had a $5 billion market cap and 88 million coins. Here's what's most impressive about INJ. Cycle 1, you set a high of $27 with 24 million coins. So you almost 4x'd your coins and still set a price all-time high, going from 654 million, almost 10xing your market cap to 5 billion. Most coins that 4x their circulating supply set lower highs, even though they could have a higher market cap. You demolished it on INJ. Super freaking bullish, guys. Even price is holding bear market lows with this many coins out of the market. Currently 100 million coins. You're topped out at 100 million. So good news is you will not add any more. Let's look at market cap on INJ. Just crazy gains here, guys. Super freaking bullish, guys. No doubt about it. Our retrace levels for INJ are here, and my bull run price prediction for INJ is way up there. I think you do a $7 billion market cap that gives you a $70 INJ. From bear market low to bull run price prediction, you're looking at a 26x, guys. 26x. That's crazy gains. Let's look at Damien. I know you guys are interested in this by now. Giving you the big calls, guys. Look at all these calls. Even called the most recent pump here on INJ, giving you 160+% gains. Call all of these guys. You won't find another indicator better than this, especially for your traders, whether you're being a spot trader or leverage trader. Let's throw a bonus at you. I got a bonus 6th coin here. Jasmine. I don't know why my connections are getting timed out like that. Sorry about that. Jasmine looks not great, right? It really looks not great. It looks like this coin is dying off, but it's not, guys. This coin is very bullish. Don't be deceived by this, guys. So in 2021, you said we're not going to count this. This was token release, and then you immediately got diluted and price went down. This is your actual all-time high. If anybody tells you otherwise, unsubscribe. November of 2021, 32 cents. Here's the problem. You had 5 billion coins in circulation with a $1.6 billion market cap. Bear market, you come back up, massive underperformance. You only hit 6 cents. However, you 10x your circulating supply. Most coins would be down at 0 if you 10x the circulating supply, but you almost doubled your market cap. You went from 1.6 billion to almost 3 billion. Good news is you currently have, at this point, you had 50 billion coins, and that's where you are now, and that's where you'll continue to be. You're fully diluted, so you won't be adding any more. Let's look at market cap, and you can see, even though on price, it looks bearish. It doesn't look good. Actually, it doesn't even look bearish because you're holding your previous bear market low. However, you can see on market cap, you're clearly bullish AF here, guys. Sorry about that. Clearly bullish AF. Remember, this was the release. We don't count that. Bullish, bullish, bullish. And even if you did count it, you're still bullish, guys. So very bullish coin here. Let's look at our retrace levels. Retrace levels for Jasmine here, guys. And if we turn on our bull market price prediction, boom, I think you return to the 1.618 retrace level. From current bear market lows, you're looking at about a 21x here, guys. So a little bonus, Jasmine. And just for fun, let's throw in Damien, see what Damien's been saying about Jasmine. Not as much price history here, but it's calling the big moves, guys. Even this most recent one that doesn't look like a big move, it really wasn't small. That's what she said, 82%. So big time Jasmine, big time coins here. Every one of them is a 20+ X. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel. Get on over. Get your Damien indicator, AnthonyLeeRaw.com. I will pin a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.